What ya bana?
What ya bana? No bi o akukurebi so de o.
Medium no dia send.
Oh, the battery am tango kwa
respect this guy pa.
Pentecost so for bintu diabo.
But
I
wonder how he's
Pentecost ni o obo ase.
Ta
What? Maybe link you. Maybe not. Telegram no am talking.
Keke Rasta, you're welcome.
Ola mejo so bataza we. Sa eboga. Ya mo ya no life no so de nyehwe. Mo da mo ka so bia na ejojo no o. Mo de na nkwa so bataza. Okwasi ase.
na wasi kwa kani na keke
Oga. Wanya sa di na o na. Udi kwa kani na. Udi mo ni to ya mo se ni bata so. Udi kwa sa nyo. Udi. Okwasa se ko. Sa
Keke Rasta, some now buy a can. Yen you be at the yen casanti.
Papa we
then you what you comedy na.
Sister we papa you your friend Keke Rasta ono bit my bibia o mu nya butere man o e.
Obi o Rasta 47 papa.
Mister mo bi and diatem, mo bi and
one Ate one team come on no be come on e sen ko team come on
en come on
no be anya mistake ni
fuck you all.
Fuck you too.
Hey, Master, DJK, where do you get now? Where do you know? Mokasa, and say.
Yenka so bibisa o yenka sesi ana say one let ma me no phone no mo
I didn't know I write the journal. I say mama no phone no fata udimi na mama no phone. Hey, what if enko for you no.
Hey
Hey.
Said he look alike. Said look alike.
Oh, Baba, you see, Bataza, this way, this man is Sadi is, you know, see, me, Makoti girl in the previous interview, and friend is saying, a girl child, and Mabre, because Ghana Krumu Haon. Before Benny Jumana or Bakoko pay Jumano, a manager, anybody wants to sleep with you.
It's true as
and this fan base name, media fan base name, come out this industry name. If you want to be popular, unya fame now we don't hook about Obia, the person has to have an affair with you. And sad, you know, Charlie. We were looking at say a friend say DJ idea so any girl no kwan e date dia nke fan, but the girl was a radio presenter.
Yay!
You understand? Oh, come on, girl no we ni radio school 2020 or Kesben FM. Oh, we no. Okoye ni service e wo Sika FM. Sika FM ofre Kojon Kansan na kachen say we ni media school e na Kojon Kansan lenke ni tu. A friend say Sika FM. Why will be muting no Charlie? And on linking to Sika FM. So through the Sika FM no. And I get on a down for any DJ KA according to girl no say na get on any echo DJ KA on any videos near there. So a friend and a linking it to DJ KA. Then DJ KA inviting us on bra. So that was the first time a DJ KA who said girl no. Your friend is saying that talent will be you so no, you understand? Not deny. So right from then on to during the election, on any election, you know, she was the one I know ultra content, good DJ K in the YouTube account in there. You can go, you can cross check. you so ane na nantiache. But come here, I say Kurumuhano, before you have to get a fame, and I say before I said in Paneno have a affair. And then they have money. Girls are going through a lot.
Mamimbe asama kwame oka no enukre pa managers for be take advantage
bro
girls ne so
bro
oba ko school awie na obepa adwuma ye no ono no enye se obetena wo ma wa maniska kwa obeye adwuma ama wotua ne ka je se mo ne da
yes
san nyama we ohu enye se ye kan wa sempa cause enye is very bad. Very say they don't even care about you.
David. I have a friend or you Jumana maybe son say I then wage Jumano. On say manager no find Juman in a damn for back or no so person in that. Into was the manager na start at and into wage Juman. Girls are going through a lot. Before building a platform, I just will be in New Year BB and so they done a platform now. And they're bad. Charlie, this thing, of course, girls are going through a lot, and people are going through a lot. People are going through a lot. You see? So, girl, no, only DJ K and the video.
Now,
the video is an old video.
What was the purpose? Now the video. What was the purpose?
The video. Who say? You see, this thing. Some of them mistake ni boys no, because most of the boys no. Oh, let me keep video for future reference. And watching that video, you can see say DJ K was the one who was recording the video.
Yes.
And how the video came out, it was like DJ K gave the phone to another little brother. So the video was leaked at your friend says Snapchat too. Snapchat sent a video free. So it was 4 years ago video. And right now DJ K is not at Silver FM again. So I check. But internet never forget.
That's it. Internet never forgets.
What I say. Per the interview, the girl was like, my member DJ K about because Mira Radio Jimani, he was the one also Mimunka can cry. That means no arena because at that time DJ K was popular. So you want to use that opportunity to my memory when I'm in Bonte. Easy people. Oh, justice for embargo to I want to maybe some video.
Lawyer Becca is here.
Also both video. Reference a future reference future for future keep no you're keeping it for like one person the Google on any massa and I didn't see who keep it
blackmailing. Me get on interview. My interview no can na me go so post it. And I may call to me jaye. Listen.
Na konsuansi onyanko nhwem hwade ama no DJ KA. Okay. Yes and say enam ne so na ama paroni me fefe wo radio adwumani mu mitumi nya agin kakra. Yes and so already na me dem ho ba dine na me dem ho ba bo no kita ni din da. Okay. So
wow.
This is like minute to actually be let me get out.
DJ KA
So what's it? And this is another video.
We call a media school cousin. Cousin media.
Mami Hadi.
Me ba Silver FM 2022. Okay. Yeah. And only so na Drew bra na isike FM obi be se na ehone farmer mia na afede mpenifo anya hu ama paroni ye hunu dia wa ama paroni mu na me so me yonko ba kwa me ni we same radio school na oni DJ KA okay and na me go so ni wo hodom because that
what's it as my girl on the care so on a link to DJ KA no was from someone TNA.
But you believe welcome. Okay.
Now only DJ KA okay. And na me go so ni wo hodom because that time I was school me no free time bia no Silver and then keep your videos.
Really guy talking
to social media. Many came me see it was social media. And I don't know so. You was so the kind so every day woman. And it's a member. Let me see. Much. And in the boa me. Me coming some for yeah go for interview be and son a carry me you who sama paroni bits me and boy and mama paroni. So me call when me fan so me family one day. Jimmy Limmy Yamini, because me name some a Benyako Abba, a Fidia Bishop. The Bayana K. Sam say, stories later.
Shall interview never. Girls are going through a lot. Girls are going through a lot. Girls are really going through a lot. And nobody in the platform be my crop, so no
I said Kura Junior Massam Naze, I every point real shit as it.
It's a girl that was his man.
Over Dream City, and no man saw Marco have it, says, or move.
I didn't also Ghana. I didn't see any normal out because now me perceive meeting story because will be a Canadian. You understand? Yes. And a Juma will before bidding the platform, never bro. Nippano, bear or person know that even crying emphasis will be copy Jumano. Or bar page Jumano, or quite person in it that even school mu crazy teacher ni no person know that no more poor. What I say?
Right.
Person know that and then so you more this generation. On say, you know how I am. My been IQ like low IQ. Aha. Obi be ebi I friend say appear studio any Eladari issue no. Obi a obey. At the point the people were criticizing say what Eladari here no and yet the right in there ebi be sanity. Me mean to me can say be a DJK or can say be a woman I can't say that one day. The fact of mummy nunya what you see any day. What you see have you affair I don't know what I can. You understand? But one thing that I'm talking about right now, they say, only girl no ene Juma. That was 2020 election. Me video na girl no share MPP atari a say.
Only girl no create content. So only create content.
Girl no call media school or call Kesbin Media. Over 2020, in the year 2020, Owie no, next on the national service. Baby, your choir no was a SErX FM. You understand? SErX FM no. That time not DJ K or Silver FM. What's your story?
Yeah, me too, pa.
No, Silver FM. It's a girl named DJ K, you know, as I do on. So the girl was introduced. How a girl in links to DJ K, you know, was through the interview. So I would say, or say na downfall. No tie kosa your friend is saying DJ K. So it was a friend or so marine you know or the or call. That's when I started working. And working in one you know every any beba. Because I say emphasis dama DJ K or no na all 5 radio nim no fefe any idea. And you know at the end of the day no. What I say, more content creators, you could have more and girls need be bass among for one video. I'm up as a more machine and some money or more. That was say justice for choosing.
Just for choosing the
question. Godfather,
Godfather, say a lawyer no better says no because according to lawyer story now also ebe can on say Ghana kasa asem si a obia or how
page now no create a bit my better on we create page now so pe trend.
I say
DJ K lawyer then
Abase no be abekwa akwese na
girl no we deleting account because girl friend is saying me hun account no but say Abase ya obi create fake account Get on every TikTok.
Live is here, live now is here. Ma hu nipa be ya ye o ma yo mu dis DJ case like profile no.
What you say?
Oh, but DJ K account no. But girl na account na me make. DJ K na account ni dey active. But girl on there no. Friend say Captain Caesar na ma me ko hu girl no. Oh, girl no the followers no 17k followers. 17k. Sisi I search ya.
Yeah, me ko search e hu girl no. Me be live me ko search girl no ba man che
na me girl go be en girl. Account be account no for the account have been right girl no followers. Yeah.
Well, on Leti you.
Yeah, baby, deactivate the account no.
For the meantime.
Yes, because I girl on the followers of TikTok 17k. Emuna me kunya that video na na me tracy copy that YouTube video no. It's account will be a girl no. We're deactivating account no. To Captain Caesar and Emma you girl no. Charlie, if they were dating that one, I can't say, you know, the fact say, but what I'm trying to say is say like people are doing much. Whether it be or any that because of some money film, that one I can't tell. Maybe how the thing will start. But what I'm trying to say is say girls are going through a lot.
Take advantage of man do.
Girls are going through a lot. Girls are really going through a lot. Especially the content creators, the bloggers.
Me say omo, tie twi na make no. Me
dey fine, but me can't the app but say na me say.
Like
ebi no moment fine here celebration, yes e dia wa kotoka.
Kabla juna one was now can. And you say like especially for omo na omo kita numbers no so share that cost like a manner but omo na omo do. Most of the girls now so share that chat will be like ebinum say coffee and having like numbers need no person like or no one having that relationship no.
Because on say TikTok is so brand. Who your content creator na kita numbers kurana. Ha no ya DM.
So almost we girls.
Ha ni DM.
Among the content followers said they girls
bro, the way these people are taking privilege right now, we will number kakrebi or the baby will be.
Yeah.